So here's the problem. House was cold this morning. Thermostat was calling for heat. Furnace not running. I didn't want to go outside in 26-degree weather to check on the furnace. So I managed to get a little bit of warmth in the house just by opening the blinds. This window faces to the south. But it is warmer now. It's almost 50 degrees outside, 50 degrees Fahrenheit that is. So let's head out there and see what we can do. Safety first, let's pull the fuses. Come on. There we go. Fuses out. I have a pretty good idea of what's wrong, well, aside from the name there. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Yep, I should have had my tools ready. Anyway. Yeah, I've done this a few times. When it comes springtime, I'm going to see about a replacement for the affected part. But I'm not going to say that's not an option now. But it's not an option right now. Okay. The problem is this right here. Yep, that's really hard to turn. That is the draft inducer, and it's got bad bearings. A little bit of oil should fix it right up. Unfortunately, the camera is going to be blocked by me getting in the way to oil bearings, so going to have to pause for a moment. Alright, it's a few minutes later, and now we have this. Yeah, not perfect, but it should run for another few weeks until it needs more oil. And yeah, just for the record, it may not be the best oil ever, but this is what I'm using. It's from my days of radio-controlled car racing. So yeah, like I said, probably not the best oil ever, but it's what I've got. Alright, put the fuses back in and go hit the thermostat and see what happens. You might want to move back just in case. Okay, there we go. There we go. Success. Just need to button her up and job done.